This is Sandra from Sawmill. Now let me introduce our Europe wood pallet automatic kneading machine production line. First line it including the wood pallet block kneading machine, the air tank, the electric cabinet, the automatic kneading machine, the wood pallet rotary machine, branding, the angle cutting, the wood pallet turning, and the wood pallet stacking, and the wood pallet platform. Here, we first introduce our wood pallet block kneading machine. Here it has a touch screen, setting the size here, and we can set 1 nails, 2 nails, 3 nail shapes at here. And here we put the blocks. The block we can put the solid block, plywood block, and the wood-shaped press block is also okay. There put the plank. The block and the plank, they will fall down automatically. When they translate to at here, it will be kneading automatic here. For our standard model, it has 3-piece nail guns. Our nail gun is used both states from the United States with high quality. And this is our automatic kneading. And here we first introduce our electric cabinet. It has a 15-inch touchscreen. And here we can set the position, the number of the nails, and adjust the nail speed is also okay. It can also remotely monitor and troubleshoot, and it can also remotely upgrade the program for life. And for our machine, it also uses the aviation plug for easy link and wiring. The PLC we use the Siemens, and the electric component is the Trent. He has the alarm, timely reminds us if the machine has any problem. And here also have the feed pedal. The feed pedal it's easy for us to take the wood pallet. And here also have the servo motor. The function of the servo motor is for control the nail size and the screw. And here is for kneading the wood pallet. For this machine is mainly process the Europe wood pallet. We also call them block type wood pallet. For this machine, it has 6-piece nail gun. The nail gun we also use both stage from the United States. It has 3 larger models and 3 smaller models. The larger model is used for kneading the block, and the smaller model is used for kneading the plank. And here is used for put the nails. Usually you can put one large steel, about 2,000 nails will be okay. And here have the small part. It can use adjust the distance position. We loosen the screw and it can move. And the valve is from Taiwan AirTech. And the American MBC high-speed solenoid valve is used to control the reaction speed of the nail gun. And after the wood pallet kneading, and it will be transported to this part. This we call the wood pallet rotary machine. It can rotate 90 degrees according to the position of the branding of the wood pallet. And here have the hand wheel. It can adjust the distance between this. And then this wood pallet will come here. This is wood pallet branding machine. It can brand the logo on the wood pallet. It is possible to brand the left, right, top, or bottom side. Is also okay. And this is our wood pallet angle cutting machine. It's used for cutting the 4-side corner of the wood pallet. For this, it has a 4-piece circular blade. The diameter of the circular blade is about 350 millimeters. And then the wood pallet will be transported here. This is a wood pallet turning machine. It turns the bottom side to the upside while easy stacking. Then the wood pallet will come here. This is a wood pallet stacking machine. For our machine, it uses hydraulic. Make it more powerful. It makes the weight it can acceptable is about 1,000 kilograms. This is our wood pallet platform. It's used for storage and transport the wood pallet.